Welcome to Decode Chinese Characters.
Let's continue our Forms of Address series. Do you know how to address your family members in daily Chinese? Today, we're learning a character used for male elders, fu. In Oracle Bone script, fu is often seen as a hand holding a tool, and that vertical line is commonly explained as a stone axe. Back then, adult men used tools for work and hunting, and they were also expected to protect the family. So this hand with an axe image gradually evolved into a symbol of male elders and household authority. That's the original idea behind father. Later, this character was also explained as holding a scepter, reflecting the traditional idea that the father is the family's authority and a strict parent figure. Over time, the shape of the character was simplified, from Oracle Bone script to bronze inscriptions and seal script, until it became the modern fu we write today. In everyday Chinese, fu qing is the formal word for father, and fu can also be used as a respectful term for male elders. For example, 伯父, 叔父, 舅父, 姨父. These are different ways to say uncle depending on the family relationship. 祖父 is the formal word for grandfather, and 岳父 is the formal word for father-in-law. Now, let's practice reading it together. 父 fu. Fu. Fu is a single component character with 4 strokes, a short left falling stroke, a dot, another left falling stroke, and a right falling stroke. Now let's see how to write it in a square grid. First, start in the upper left area of the box and write a short left falling stroke. Next, add a dot in the upper right of the box, slanting slightly down to the right. Then, just below the dot, write a left falling stroke that stretches down toward the lower left. Finally, start just below the first stroke and write a right falling stroke that extends toward the lower right, crossing the third stroke. See? It's pretty simple. Give it a try. The character fu can also work as a semantic radical, often called the father radical, in some characters related to elders, men, or specific family titles. For example, if you combine fu with ba, you get ba, which is the most affectionate everyday way to say dad. If you combine fu with duo, you get die, also means father, and it's more common in dialects or older usage. If you combine fu with tin, you get fu. This brings us back to the original tool meaning. It means axe. In Chinese culture, the character fu can carry a sense of solemnity and authority. People also use fu in honorary titles to show respect for a founder or pioneer. For example, in the 1960s, China faced severe food shortages. Yuan Longping, an agricultural scientist, began dedicating himself to hybrid rice research during that time. Under harsh conditions, he spent more than 10 years in the rice fields, repeating experiments, enduring failures, and refusing to give up. Through decades of dedication, he helped a nation of over 1 billion people step out from the shadow of hunger. That's why people honor him as 中国杂交水稻之父, the father of hybrid rice in China. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. More Chinese character stories are coming soon.